Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Videos can significantly enhance your website's appeal. In this video, discover how to embed videos into your Squarespace sites, whether they are hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform, and make your content more dynamic. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first thing first guys, go ahead and open your Squarespace dashboard and basically go to your sites. After you open your site, you will need to go to the page editor or basically the site editor. To go there, you simply have to click on edit right through here and this will be open for you. Now let's add a section for our video. Click on add section and basically choose to have videos. This is the first method that I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you the other method, which is from scratch. So here we go. I'm going to pick this and there it is. Now I have this section which is pre-made by the template itself that I can edit and change everything in it. Now let's start by removing this because it is not a part of our video. So let's remove the actual block of text and let's drag the video to the top. Now this is a video from Squarespace, which I don't really want. I want something of mine. So I'm going to click here on the edit button. Then I'm going to click on remove and I'm going to click on add a video. You have three options: either to upload file from your PC, either to select from library, which is pre-uploaded files that you have already in Squarespace, which you don't really need to re-upload, and add from link, for example, YouTube or Vimeo. Let me just start by uploading the file. I have here like a clip of mine. I think I have it, and let me just check it out real quick. Yep, here it is, a Minecraft clutch. I'm gonna go right here and try to upload it. As you can see, the clip is being now uploaded. Now it's gonna be taking quite some time depending on the size of the video. For example, this clip that I have is having around 1.5 gigabytes. So it's a very large clip. So that is why this may take a while to be downloaded. Also notice that with the free plan of Squarespace, which is the default plan, you will have a limit on your clips and videos. You will have a total of 30 minutes max of videos. I don't think that the size of the files matter, but the timing is the most crucial thing. As you can see right here, there it is mentioned. Your plan includes 30 minutes of free uploaded video storage. If you pass that, you will not be uploading it in your site. There's other things that you can edit within the video meanwhile it is uploading. You can edit a couple of other options. We have the mute video function, which allows us to basically mute it. So whenever there is a sound in your video, it's basically a muted video. So there's only images and stuff, no sound. There's the autoplay. The autoplay means once the user has scrolled to the video, it's gonna start immediately. It will not need the click and basically the trigger from the visitor or the scroller to click on the video so it can be played. Now that's up to you if you want it to be on or off. It's completely your option. And third, we have the loop video option. This will allow the clip to be replayed each time the video is finished. So for example, your video is 2 minutes long. Whenever this 2 minutes arrives, it's gonna start from the start of the video. and so go on. And basically there is player controls, for example, minimum, none, description, and this is very crucial, the description, since description is gonna work for your SEO, so it's gonna help you in the search engine optimization, which gonna make you rank higher in the search engine, for example, Google, Yahoo, etc. And that is very something that you have, guys, to focus on. Add description to any little thing that you can add something to it. For example, images, videos. Just ask ChatGPT for something that can boost your SEO, and just write it down here in this box. Now this is for the first method. Meanwhile, this video is uploading. I'm just gonna leave it there. As you can see, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna go and open a whole new page. So let me just open Squarespace again. Let me just go here. So in this new site that I have created, I'm going to show you how we can create an embedded video from scratch. So first of all, click on edit, and basically I'm going to pick and add a section in this like category. We're not going down for videos, but we are going to the top and choose add a blank section. This will allow us to have this section which is basically empty. You can edit this section by changing all the options like background and such. Let's keep it light. And basically what I'm gonna do is to add blocks. Click here and basically search for video. Now just simply drag it to the middle or wherever you want it to be located. It can be to the left, like drag it down, and you can even like make it bigger. So it's completely up to you and how you really want it to be. So this is fully customizable in terms of size and location. Now once you feel like this video location is good to go, well, the next thing to do is to simply click right here and do the same steps that I have shown you before. Click add, choose either to upload file, which I have shown you in the first or the beginning of this video, which is right here. So after the upload, of course, the video will take a few times to get revised. And basically there is the add from link, so you can click here and add the link. The link has to be either from YouTube or from Vimeo. So these are the two steps or the two methods that you can with it embed a video in YouTube or in Squarespace. So in general, you have to either go for one of these two main methods. Otherwise, there is nothing else that you can do without coding and etc. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions or problems that you have faced, make sure to mention them in the comment section. I will try to cover and answer all of your problems. Now, also guys, I will just remind you that you have a limit of 30 minutes, so do not forget about that. And yeah, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.